and welcome back to my channel, Div's Home Studio. I hope you all are doing well, and in today's video I'm going to share my review on, yes, it is everybody's favorite product from makeup. Yes, it is lipstick, of course, and this is the most requested video. Everyone wanted to know how many shades Blue Heaven liquid lipstick has and how does it look on a dark skin. So let's get into the video without any delay. So yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much for all your love and support. Yes, in today's video I am going to share the Blue Heaven Hyper Stay Weightless Liquid Lipstick, and this is how the packaging looks like. I love all the shades, in fact, except for one or two. They have like around 12 shades. In fact, I do have a lot of lipstick swatches videos on my channel because I personally love lipstick and I always love trying or experimenting with new shades and as well as the formula. So one such thing is this Blue Heaven Blue Heaven Hyper Stay. The old packaging was something like this and the new packaging is something like this. So this is the Hyper Stay Liquid Matte Lipstick and this was the old packaging. The shades remain the same. So yes, let's get into the product. They do have 12 shades and they retail for 115 rupees. Yes, it is a very affordable product. I love the formula. I'm wearing right now the 107. This is, I don't know what's the shade names as well, but surely we'll give it up on the screen. Initially they didn't have the shade name, but later on they came up with the shade names. It was just the numbers for the products, and from 0 to 12 I think I almost have like 8 to 9 shades. A few I thought it was kind of repetitive, so I didn't buy it. And I do have a complete swatch shots on my channel which went up to 10k straight. Everyone loved that. In fact, even it's my favorite whenever I have to get out of the house with dash of lipstick, and this is the first one to pick. I love Blue Heaven this liquid lipsticks. I just feel like it's more light on this lips, and it's not heavy. At the same time, it's not very dry. I love the formula, and if you fall into a little bit of the dry skin, then maybe you can feel a little drying, or else you can use a lip balm and then use the lipstick. I think this really works wonders. I love almost every shade of this. Yes, they do have 6 ml of product and they have a shelf life of 2 years, and it retails for 115 rupees, which is absolutely affordable. And they do have a lot of reds. They do have I think only one fuchsia and pink, and they do have a really nice maroon and dark color. This is my top favorite. And there are two kind of nudish and mauve shade. I mean, these are the two nude and mauve shade. And I think brown, there's not much, but 2 brown shades. One is kind of a rustic shade and the other one is a little bit dark purplish brownish kind of shade. And I have one red and the other like a coral one. These two also seems to be very similar, but this is a coral one and this is like a pure red. So there were another 2 red and the fuchsia shade, but I didn't want to pick it up. It feels like the same thing, so I just left it. So let's get on how the pigmentation is and how the color payoff of the product is. So let's start off with 01. That's a very nice cool toned red. It has a bluish undertone. Let's get to the swatches. I want to do the start from 01. So this is the 01. It's a red color, and this is a kind of cool toned red, and this is how it looks like. It's a nice very bright red shade and looks dashing on almost all the skin tones. So I will swatch it on my lips as well. So the next one is 05. This is again a very nice dark maroon kind of shade which looks very good on medium to dark skin. and this is in the shade 05, second one. The next one is 06, and this is kind of purple or a brown undertoned purple kind of. Okay, this is how it looks like. This would be a nude for actually the dark skin. So this is 06. And I have 07, the one which I'm wearing right now, and I love this color. This is my favorite of all, that's why I just wore this. Maybe you can feel these two are similar, but when you apply it on the lips, it has a difference. Then I do have 08. This is again a very lovely fuchsia pink. This is again very cool tone. It must have been warm toned. It has a lot of purplish kind of undertone, and this is a fuchsia 08. I'm not sure what color is 9, but I don't have 9. I do have 10. This is, like I said you, this is a coral, again red as well as pink undertoned color, and this is how it looks like. Again, 11 is a very nude, and this is like called a slight coffee. I will give the names on the screen because it's not on the product, just the number. So this is a very light shade for me. It is a very bad and wrong collection or selection from my side. So this is how it looks, so pale, perfectly nude, perfect for the fair skin people. Next I have a kind of brown rust red kind of thing. This is 012, and this is okay. This looks good on medium to dark skin as well, and this is how it looks like. Okay, coming to the formula of the product, the formula is something very lightweight. It is not very cracky or very dry. You can always use a lip balm below this liquid lipsticks and get that really nice, and the color payoff and the pigmentation is absolutely super good. Yes, if you wear a mask it can smudge. It doesn't move off just like that, but if you wear a mask and if you sweat for some time, and surely you can't have smudging around your lips. And then if it can stay up to like 4 to 5 hours max, because if you eat drink, surely it will burn off. and then it takes a bit of time to get dried, and you need to wait for that. And this is how it looks after it gets dried. So I loved all the color except this particular nude. I think all the other ones look really good on me, and so it can really work like medium to deep skin. I think all the colors which I have, all the shades which I have, can surely work. So that's it. It's like 6 ml of product and 115 rupees. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you would have got a clear idea on what kind of shades ranges in Blue Heaven liquid matte lipsticks. A few of the shades like the darkest maroon really looks good, and a few of the lighter shades look patchy, and you can reapply it, and don't forget to dab it on your lips so that you get a flawless finish. And then the applicator is also simply good, and it can actually glide through really well, and it's a doe foot applicator. So that's it about the Blue Heaven Hyper Stay Liquid Matte Lipsticks, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Until next time, it's bye from here.